Sorry, I forgot you were wanting a video of where they had to repair the frame. I mean, he done a really good job. You can't tell a whole lot. But let me crawl under here and get some pictures or this video. You can see went up there, put this heavy plate on the bottom, beefed up the side. And then he's got a plate up on the top. Same thing over here on this side. He's beefed up the bottom. And then beefed it up here with a plate on the outside. And tied it into this bracket. And like I say, this guy has actually, he does frame work. He builds dump trucks, extends and shortens frames, and he's actually strengthened up some of the frames for ETI Halfinger, which is here in Oklahoma City. I'll get this uploaded as well.